Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to my new video. Today I will be creating a wedding exploding box with a little 3D cake in the center. I'm using Lemon Craft Sentimental Paper Collection. This collection is very light in colors. It has super delicate patterns, perfect for any shabby chic or wedding projects. I'm starting with exploding box base. This is pre-cut and pre-scored base. I'm folding it along the lines and then I will start attaching the paper. Outside of the box I'm going to use the wood pattern paper in light gray beige color. In the inside I'm going to use the beige paper with some squares with the patterns and some plain. I mean, they have very delicate design, but you can barely see it. The box is 10 by 10 centimeters and my first layer is slightly smaller than the box base. Before attaching the papers inside the box, I'm just going to use the tracing wheel and emboss all the edges. It gives a really nice result. The edges of the paper goes slightly up and the tracing wheel leaves very nice pattern. For the lid, I'm going to use light mint paper. It's coming from 6 by 12 pad. It has some elements to cut out on the other side, but I wanted that light mint color. It will look really nice with the wood pattern paper which is on the outside of the box. I'm sorry for sticking my head into the camera. I have changed the camera position and I just need to remember that I cannot move too closely to the project, but I hope you can still see what I'm doing. So the box base is ready to decorate. You can see that it looks perfectly together, and for the decorating I'm going to use lots of elements which I fussy cut out of the 6 by 12 sentimental pack. And then I have some embellishments like handmade flowers, die cut leaves, some ribbon. I have few clay frames, some pieces of lace, chipboards. You just need to grab all small elements which are in matching colors to your project. So let's start decorating. I will show you how I created composition on each of the little pages, sides of the box, and then the last I will attach the cake in the center. I usually decorate the center last, because if there is something in the center, it's kind of in the way for me to decorate the pages. So I prefer to do the pages first, then the center, or then the lid, and then the center. Anyway, the center needs to come after the pages, the sides are decorated. Each little composition is mainly created with the elements coming from the collection, but as you can see, I have added few other bits. I like to have layered, textured compositions. So of course I was looking what else I can add apart of those lovely images. I really like the fact that all the images in the collection are in similar colors, they match each other, so it's really easy to create composition with them because they go really nicely together. Before attaching the cake in the center of the box, I'm going to quickly decorate the lid. I have one of those clay frames here, some flowers and leaves, and also I will add a sentiment, and that will be it. I have also a beautiful how you call it? It's a transparent heart. It was from the box. I have a box with a broken jewelry, and I found it there. It's very, very pretty, and I think it will be perfect for the occasion. It will also add that unique touch to the project. So I'm going to attach it on the ribbon, which will go around the lid, and the last element which I'm going to add to the lid will be pieces of string bows. It's time to add that last element to my box. It is a 3D cake, and then I am going just to finish off my project with white micro beads and also a glitter. The glitter it's semi-transparent with silver flakes, absolutely beautiful. You want to add something very delicate just to add a sparkle to your project. I'm just going to add it on my flowers near the floral composition and on the few elements inside the box. This is the last final touch, and my project will be ready. I'm hoping you like the video, and I'm hoping that I will inspire you to create a similar project. I absolutely love the collection. The box looks beautiful, and I'm sure it will be a great wedding gift. I want to thank you very much for watching and encourage you to visit Lemoncraft Instagram or Facebook page, or Lemoncraft Facebook group, where you can add your projects created with Lemoncraft papers. Please check all the links below the video, and let me know what do you think about the project. Thank you very much for watching. As always, I appreciate all comments, all feedback. Thanks again. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.